Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. It's so hot, bro. Hey loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys Yay Beauty's new products, how to use them, how I use them, things like that. And I also have a little surprise for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned because this surprise is going to be dropped in the middle of the video. Don't even try to scroll to the end because it's not even there. In this video, I'm also telling you guys what time I'll be dropping these products, so you guys are on go. Is all going to be in this video. So yeah, let's get on into it because I know you're tired of hearing me speak. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you know that you're gonna go purchase some Yay Beauty tomorrow. Okay, all right, so as you can see, I have my base done already, which is like my face makeup or whatever. I don't have my highlight on because I will be using our highlight sticks, our shimmer sticks. I'll be using it in the color Luminosity. We also have Radiance, those two colors for our shimmer sticks. My eyes are not done because I will be using our black liner, black pencil liner. My lips, I will be using both Here to Stay and Moment. Lastly, I'll be topping off the lips with our new lip glosses. I don't know which color I'm gonna use yet. We have a clear one and one with like shimmers. I usually use the one with the shimmers because it has shimmers, you know, but I don't know, maybe I'll do clear today. Who knows? So let's finish off the eyes first. Here's what the pencil looks like. Cruelty free and vegan. You also have the sharpener included. I sharpen this like ew so badly. I'm gonna zoom in a tad. I'm going to line my waterline with this pencil. It's super smooth and super pigmented. Like, I don't know if you guys saw that, but I literally just whoop. It's not like those really dry pencils that you have to like keep on going back and forth or like warming it up on your hand. You don't even have to do that to get the product. Look at that. Look at the difference of my eyes. And I'm also going to drag a little bit in the like the corner here to give me that little cat eye effect. Look at that. I barely even had to try to do that. Wow. Other eye now. Like the difference in my eyes is crazy. Like, I love this liner. It reminds me of the NYX retractable liners, which is a great thing because usually the retractable liners are creamier than regular pencil liners. So that's how, like, you know, me comparing it to that, that's how you know this is a really creamy product. Give me that cat eye effect. I'm recreating a look that I saw on TikTok. I forgot her name, but I know on my TikTok I will be tagging her. Boom, baby. I'm gonna put my mascara on right now, but I'm not putting on my lashes yet. I'm saving the lashes for last. Now let's move on to our highlight. So as I mentioned before, we have these two shades. They look exactly the same, but on the bottom is going to say the name of the colors. They do come in little boxes or whatever. These are cruelty free and vegan as well. I will be using Luminosity today, but I'm gonna show you Radiance. This is what they look like. This is how much product you're going to get. I'm still going. I'm still boom. These are like super duper creamy. Very creamy. And then here is Luminosity. Boom. You can use it directly from here. You can put it on your fingers and you can also put it on a brush. For my nose and things like that, I use it directly from here because I wanted to, oh, I did it too low. I want it to be like, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but like on the spot. I'm using my finger now, just so it could be a little bit more blended here. The bridge of my nose. Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. I am obsessed with this product. Cheekbones. Move my hair. Let me get a little bit closer to you guys so you guys can see this. I like to tap it in because like this it will be more pigmented without diffusing it. Only like this little area right here because I like to have it like bloop, and then the rest of it like on my cheeks I brush it out so it could be more diffused. How freaking cute, man. Look at my freaking highlight though. Look at my highlight. The next side I'm gonna use my finger. Wow, do you see that? Do you see that? I haven't used Radiance on my skin because I'm not that dark, but I'm going to take a little bit and kind of like blend it into my bronzer, I guess, just so I can show you guys both of them. I'm gonna use my brush for this part. Oh my god, I am dying. I'm dying right now. It like blended it like butter into my bronzer. Now you guys can leave it like this, but since it is a cream highlight, you can also set it with a powder on over top of it. You can also use the shimmer sticks on your body. I'm gonna put some like on my collarbone right here. Right here. Right here. Oh, I'll put them on my chain. Gonna put some on the chi-chis too. I hope you guys can see that because my chi-chis look kind of cute in this shirt. You see, look at that. I'm glowing right now. This is not blended out, but you know what we mean. But now let's move on to the lips. Now I'm going to use Here to Stay. You can tell like what the colors look like by the ends. So yes, I zoomed you guys in a little bit. This one is not sharpened. I should sharpen it though, right? Nah, fuck it. See how smooth that goes on? Here's Moment. This is kind of like the color of my own lips, so when I use it on its own, I use it like if I want a natural lip, and I can overline my lips with this color and it will look like my own lips. So now it's all blended nicely. Look how pretty. This is Date Night, and then right here is Envy Me. I'm gonna use Date Night today because it's clear. It's peppermint flavored, but it's not just straight up peppermint. It has a little bit of vanilla in it to give it like a sweet peppermint flavor. It reminds me like literally of double mint. Out of all the mint gums, the only one I want is double mint. Don't give me no spearmint. Don't give me none of that other shit because that minty, like too minty, gives me a headache. Also infused with 24K gold flakes. These are edible. I'm tired of these bikes today, okay? The flakes are edible. They're like really small in there, so like they might come out on your lips. But if they do, I don't know, if you want, you can have it on your lips. If you don't want to have it on your lips, you can lick it off, you can take it off. Whatever you want to do, girl. So now let's move on to the fun haul, which is the lashes. Now these ones my love. They're vegan. So surprise, surprise, the restock is here. The new products and the restock is launching at the same time. These are vegan lashes. They're faux mink, 100% faux mink lashes. I wanted to put it in a different box just so you guys can see like the difference between them, between the regular mink collection and the vegan collection. I mean, for right now there's only one vegan lash, so it's kind of sad, but I didn't really find a cute packaging that will like fit my aesthetic of my brand, and I did not want to delay this restock anymore because you guys were like killing me. Were about to literally kill me. I post my lip glosses and you guys are like, I don't care about that shit. Where the fuck is Charms? You guys may or may not know, but I customized my packaging on my own. Like the labels, I make them myself. The whole backing of it, I make them myself. I do not buy it. I buy glitter paper from Amazon and I cut it out and I put it on each one by one. More than 200 lashes, one by one. I do that. Let me go like this and open it up. How friggin' pretty. Okay, let me fix that. How pretty. So this style right here is called 1111. Probably like, why is it called that? Let me fill you in on the tea or whatever. My very first order was placed on 11:11 p.m. I gave the password to one of my friends a little bit earlier than the rest, at way before 11:11. First of all, way before that. I think I gave it to her at like 11:05 maybe. I don't know. That's my girl Yayli or whatever. I love Yayli. So basically, she was even going back and forth. She didn't know which ones to get. She was like, I want Charms, I want Prioritize. She ended up getting like 3 of them anyways. But the moment she placed her order was at 11:11 on the dot. Like, how ironic is that? I thank God all the time, because without him, this business, who knows, man, who knows. In honor of my very first order, my very first Yay Beauty purchase, I am naming these very beautiful vegan lashes 1111. So let's put these bad boys on. I'm coming out with lash adhesive as well very soon. Do you see that? I'm in love. Here is this beautiful, beautiful vegan faux mink lash style in the style 1111. I can't wait to drop. So as I said, the time is only going to be mentioned here. So at 11:11 Friday, Friday, May 29th, I will be dropping our new products as well as our new lash style. I'll be dropping these bad boys here, Date Night and Envy Me. They both retail for $5. Our lip liners, Here to Stay and Moments, as well, will be dropping at 11:11. These also retail for $5, and as I mentioned, your sharpener is included. Our black eyeliner is retailing for $3. Radiance and Luminosity retail for $6. And lastly, our new lash style 1111 is retailing for $11. These products will be launching at 11:11, but no, not at 11:11 p.m. It's going to drop at 11:11 a.m. I know it's a little bit early, but I want it to be like that so you guys can have the whole day to shop. Also, if you really want your lashes and you really want your new products, you would wake up early, okay? You have that advantage if you do wake up early. My products be going out like wildfire. If you missed Charms the first time, I just recommend you wake up earlier to get them at 11:11. Also, if you wake up early and make your purchases between 11:11 to 12:11, that hour, you can get money off your purchase using code WISH. This way, you don't gotta wait until 11:59, 12 o'clock at night to make your purchase. You got the whole day to purchase. If you got your lashes the last time and you just want your lip glosses, you can wake up early too. I may recommend you wake up early because people really want these lip glosses and stuff like that. But if they are still in stock later on in the day, you have the whole day to shop. As I said, if you order between the hour, you can get money off your order. Unless you don't want that, girl, you don't gotta wake up early. You don't gotta worry about that. If you're gonna be ready at 11:11 to purchase, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know my girls is ready. Give this video a thumbs up. You're gonna be there at the ass crack of dawn. I mean, that's not even that early, but you know, it's quarantine or whatever. No one's waking up at 11. But you know, wake up early, you know, make a wish as soon as we launch. Make a wish, like I wish, I don't know, whatever you want, and make your purchase. Come on. Remember the code I mentioned. I don't want to mention it again because if anyone scrolled to the end of the video, they missed out on the code. But you know, if you did miss out and you forgot what it was, just scroll back a little bit. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for sticking around and, you know, watching me use our new products. Girl, I can't wait to see you tomorrow purchasing your new products or your new lashes or charms, because everybody's purchasing charms. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm like sweating. I probably look like ass right now because my hair looks like booty.